Are you ready to walk?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's do it. Well, first step. As you can see, there's many of these on the ground.
Many of these.
Many of these
Squirrels.
indeed. Squirrels. Oh man. This is getting intense. There's savage beasts in this forest.
I found a stick. Found a stick.
Stick?
Found a stick.
Jeez, that's one large stick you got there.
It's my stick now.
Oh man. One more stick. Hey, what's this? Is this a cave? Where the goblins live? What is it? Oh gosh. Oh my gosh! Did you just hear something?
What?
Did you?
No. I gotta poop. I'll go behind this bush right here.
What's he doing? Just crawling up in a ball and falling. Hey. Hey, you can't do that here. Stop.
Okay.
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 Hey, what's wrong? What's wrong?
I'm done.
You done?
That was one big poop.
Whoa. Whoa. What is that?
Oh.
Whoa. Whoa.
What is that?
I don't know.
What is that thing?
I'll try it. I'll check it out. Run, 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 run,
Get in the woods, get in the woods. Here, behind these trees, in these trees. The trees. Good. We've got some good cover now.
Something's wrong.
Hopefully there. No, we should be safe in these trees.
Look at this. Something's got me.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my lord. We got some food. We should last us tonight. Eat some of this. We did. It's good food. Red.
Take it.
What is that? It's a car. God.